Hi everyone, and welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to sum two numbers on button click in Windows Forms apps using button click. Before we start, I would like to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel to support my work. Now, shall we continue? First, we will need to add button and two text boxes in our form. After we add everything in form, we will double-click button to open script where we will write our code. When that is done, we will start writing actual code. For this, we have to declare two int variables and give them values from text boxes, but we need int parse because text box gives us input as string, not int. After that, we have to add third one to carry some of A and B. We need code for showing message box. In between quotes we will write our message and some that we will show. When that is done, we are going to press Start button to test how our application works. We're going to press button to test how it works and see will it show our message. Everything seems to work. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like it to support my work. See you in next one.